Alright, quick video. As the other ones, not a lot of time on the introductions or the little things going across the top telling you who I am. This is the Gardening Rebel channel, and I'm Todd, and I'm about to burn up. But got asked the question the other day: how do I get my kids interested in gardening? Well, that's simple. You give them something easy to grow. One of the things that you can grow simply is a peanut. Simple thing to do. You don't have to have a mound like I've got out through here. You don't. You can do it in a planter box. You can do it in anything. And these are some peanuts that are coming up. Now we've got some that came up and some that didn't, and we got a lot that didn't. And I really don't know why, but oh well, it's a learning experience. But what you're going to do is just take just a regular old peanut, as long as it's not been heat treated or cooked or salted, and you're going to bust it open. And I can't do it with one hand, it's aggravating. So let me do this real quick. You make sure the red skin is still on it. Oh, I see why some of them didn't grow. They weren't deep enough in the dirt. We had some rain. And what you're going to do is you're going to poke a hole. Just in some loose soil. Drop it. And that is it. Oh, there's one right there. That's about to come open. Look at that. Look at that. Which we can replant that. No big deal. We just did next to it. And it was starting to come out the top. As you can tell. Let's bust it open and look at the root system. Oh yeah, it was coming out. Right there, it was emerging. Fixing to anyway. But it's a simple thing to do. I mean, get your kids interested in something like this. There's one fixing to come out, or it's done something, probably chewed on it, a mouse or something. Stick it back down in there. I got to replant anyway, a couple of these spots. Sorry, I get sidetracked sometimes. And it rained shortly after we planted these things, and we did plant them shallow, but you know, some of them's coming up, some of them's not. Looks almost like a clover. So where it doesn't sprout, I'll just simply go back through here and stick some more in the ground. Moon and stars, watermelons, and we've got cantaloupe planted on down here on this hump too. So, you know, don't have your kids grow something that you don't know anything about. A lot of people don't know about peanuts, but peanuts are simple to grow. I just showed you what to do. Simple. Squash. Squash is a simple plant to grow. As you can see up there, we've got a big row of squash, nice row of squash. I'm fixing to go up there and pull the grass out from around them. But you can grow that in a small area. Let your kids have their own garden. Let them do what makes them happy in it. Take them and let them buy them some seeds, but throw something in there that they might like. Yeah, some kids are going to be allergic to peanuts. And that's understandable. Understand that. Start some sweet potato slips in a glass jar. Let them plant those in a flower pot or something. Even though you might not get anything out of it, they still feel like they've grown something, and next year they'll be wanting to do more. Get them out of the house. Get them off the damn PlayStations, the Xboxes, and get them back out here where they belong. Running around playing in the dirt. Thank God we didn't have all that crap whenever I was growing up. I mean, don't get me wrong, I play it now. But, no, we were out here with our grandfathers and our parents playing in dirt. Oof, I gotta repack that, don't I? Sweet potatoes are taking off pretty good. That's another easy thing to plant. We had a lot of rain this week. Real quick, but that's a simple fix with a garden tiller and a hoe. And I actually had pictures of this one last week that was almost dead. I mean, it was on its last leg. So that's how easy sweet potatoes are to plant. Poke a hole, stick the shoot in it, walk away. And tell your kids, good job, pat them on the back. And that's it. That's how you get them interested in something. You got to start in baby steps. Just like everybody had to. All right, I got to get back to work. So until next time, leave me a comment. Give me some suggestions. I don't care, just whatever's on your mind, as long as it's about gardening. I don't talk politics. So, with that being said, I'm fixing to go pull some weeds. See y'all next time. Have a great week.